Um, so in this stream we'll be fixing an issue with only happens in Firefox. I've tested this in Safari and Google Chrome, but it just happens in Firefox. It used to happen before with the previous footer as well, but I've just ignored the solution for far too long. This time we're gonna fix the problem for Firefox. Well, now that we've renewed the footer, we're actually gonna fix the problem because uh, before, like, I didn't care about this issue that much because like we were going to remake the footer anyway. So let me show you what the problem is. Well, probably you can probably see it. The signature gets aligned to the left, and the image centered class there. This one doesn't work in Firefox for some reason. So we're gonna try and maybe we can put this in a div and then use like bootstrap classes to center it in here. And the same problem applies to the blog area as well. So the signature doesn't wrap to the next line, which is again another problem. We should be able to solve it by just putting this inside the div, but I'm gonna look into the solutions and see if we can just avoid doing that. I'm not sure though, so let's just try. So this is Firefox. I've installed Firefox. Also, um, the debug menu and the inspector menu of Firefox is nice. It looks like Google Chrome's menu too. Maybe they just copied the source code, or maybe Google copied the source code from these guys. I don't know. Anyway, Firefox is nice. People should keep using Firefox because otherwise Google's going to take over the web. Anyway, regardless of all of these things, now let's look into how we can center this thing. Okay. Let's try to reproduce the issue in Chrome first. What happens if you get rid of the image-centered CSS there? So that is in footer.jsx, right? And the signature image, which is in here, contains an image that has the image-centered class. So what if we get rid of this? What happens? Well, everything is still centered, which is interesting. Well, maybe we didn't need that CSS there at all. Maybe it was the old way of doing it, and who knows? Who knows what's going wrong there? Okay, let's inspect this div again. Let's try to understand why this one's centered but the other one's not. Okay. So this thing spans the whole width of the div, but the other one in Firefox, let me drag this in here. The one in Firefox, it doesn't take the whole div, it just takes the width of the image, and Firefox just aligns it to the left. You can start by searching image not centered in div Firefox. Some other people should have encountered this problem too, right? Align image center mid. Yeah, we can take a look at that. 2008. Okay, let's not take a look at this. This is Stone Age. I remember those times, and internet was not a pretty place back then. Well, anyway, well, it was developing still, right? It wasn't as big. React wasn't there. None of these things were there. Anyway, like HTML5 was this a thing? I don't even remember. All right. What could we search for? Okay, center image in div bootstrap. Not really want to do that. Okay. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. MX Auto. Oh yeah, that could work. That really could work. MX Auto. Yeah. So instead, we're gonna do image responsive, but we're gonna do MX Auto, and this should allow us to center the image in. Oh no, crap! It didn't work. Oof. What's the problem though? Like, okay, let's try putting padding 100 pixels. What did that do? Right. Maybe try putting padding left. Is that gonna work? Did that change it? Oh yeah, okay, that changes something. So padding left and padding right. Okay, what about if we add some margins to the left of the image? Margin left is going to be 100 pixels. Oh, come on, keyboard. Okay. This doesn't get applied. Why? Oh, that's why. Or who knows? So ideally, MX Auto should allow us to center this thing. Like it should put the image in dead center like Chrome and Safari does. Why does this thing get centered then? MX Auto. Yeah, it's these things don't affect anything. Okay. What is image responsive? Do we need image responsive? Maybe that's the problem. Why do we need image responsive, right? Okay, let's try getting rid of both of them and let's go back to Google Chrome to see if we broke anything. Well, it still looks fine. It's not like we've broken anything. Let's go back to Firefox and refresh the page. Okay, still broken. Let's try cleaning this up just a little bit more. We have the class name signature in here, and the signature thing is it just specifies a margin top really. This thing is nothing. It's just an image tag. Alright, that makes the problem even simpler, I guess. So how can this be centered in Chrome but not in Firefox? So in Google Chrome, images tend to take the whole width of the div if it's given if there's enough width available. I mean, it just takes if you have an image tag, then it just spans the whole width of the page. But Firefox renders them in a different way. Firefox limits the size. So doing so there's a class called maybe width 100. So if I do, let's clean this up. Okay, before here, if I do width 100, we should see that we should see the image taking the whole width of the div, which is fine. And why is margin top getting overridden? Oh, okay, I probably specified it elsewhere. Okay, we can get rid of that one too. Okay, we've done quite a bit of cleaning in this stream. So if you go back to Google Chrome, nothing's gonna change, right? Yeah, exactly. Right, cool. Right, hey, we've managed to center it. So assigning the width to 100 of the div is actually what you needed to do. All right, so in Firefox, you have to specifically tell that the image that you're using has to take 100% of the div, so it can be centered. This used to be a problem. Also, we have another problem to fix in the blog area. Oh, okay, it fixed itself in here too. Cool. You just have to specify W100, which says width 100 in Bootstrap. Nice, nice. That's the solution. We just got rid of everything and we used that to solve the issue. Well, that's it. And for the rest of the stream, I'm going to be renaming. I'm going to be removing contact in here. I'm going to be renaming maybe these two, or maybe getting rid of contact should be enough. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's just start by getting rid of the contact. So we're going to navigate to navbar. Navbar. Navigation bar. That works. Yeah. And those items are coming from a JSON file, and removing it from the JSON file should just do the thing. So content is coming from the home page probably. Yeah, and this thing, yep, okay. Well, removing this from there should solve the problem. If you remove the context section, if you remember. Okay, looks better. Okay, I think this looks cleaner, less sections. Actually, contacts should redirect here instead. Ooh, maybe removing it wasn't a great idea. Okay, let's not remove it, but I'm gonna rename some stuff, but that can come later. Let's fix the contact issue first. Contact should redirect to the bottom of the page. So this reference is contact. How do we use these things? We should have something like a reference, right? Class name. Okay, let's go back to the home page. The reference must be laying in there. Header. Okay, let's find the section projects, and the class name is there, ID is there, title is there, text is this. Oh, this is it. You have to give the section an ID. So we go back to the footer, and then we can wrap this in a section, but actually we don't need to do that. We can just do this. Well, actually, we can clean this up even further by, let's just paste this in. Let's see if the solution works first. Contact. Is there such a thing? Did I remove it? Oh, no, content. Whoa, okay. What is this file? What is this file? Did I change this recently? Git, show history. Oh yeah, I did. Let's put this back. Let's test it out. Okay, it scrolls to the bottom of the page where my contact info is visible. Okay, let's meet. That's the contact area now. Okay. Let's see if it works in Firefox too. Right, it works great. Log works, and the dark mode, even the dark mode works great in Firefox. Everything works great. Okay, we can just close Firefox now. We're done with it. All right, thank you. Okay, now we're going to do some more cleanup. So this div, actually, we can assign these class names to the container itself in here, and we can get rid of this. Not really. No, that's not the solution. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's it. What else? Yeah, we fixed the first thing. I'm going to start another stream very shortly. We're going to be changing Google Chrome address bar color on specific pages on the mobile version of Google Chrome, if you noticed that. But anyway, that's it for this stream. Thanks for joining. We fixed the Firefox issue. We've assigned this contact section to this part, which we forgot to do yesterday. And that's it for the stream. Yeah, I'm going to come back with another stream very shortly. All right, bye.